Ladies and gentlemen, we're here again at Sawmill City Road in Charlton.
Is with him.
Huh? Who's with him? It's just Chris and I tonight, which seems to always lead to more activity for some reason.
Leave.
Whoa. Leave right now. Leave. He was like, why do we have to leave?
Wait a back.
The last few times we were here, things weren't too good. Why should we leave?
The cost.
The cost?
Weeks ago.
Diagnosis.
Whoa! Dude, did you hear what that said?
What?
Something about a diagnosis. What diagnosis are you talking about? Loser.
Dot London.
What the?
They received my email here at Halloween, and they're processing it.
When was this?
This is Antonio. I'm on my
Players
Gmail.
What day was this? Long time
August
ago?
24th.
Okay, it's now September 5th.
So we'll call them tomorrow. And
Yes.
Alright, cool.
Yes.
I'll do that.
Why did you say that about diagnosis? What does that mean?
Of both.
You both? What diagnosis?
Help one of.
Help one of them. What diagnosis do we have?
We ran to.
I know I'm not feeling too good tonight. I'm all shaky and stuff. I'm all like shaky and upset and I feel just very like, I don't know, I as soon as we pulled on the street, I felt angry. Like very angry and just not right. But who wants to talk with us tonight? Don't start mocking my speech.
You know.
Well, it's not like it's walking in water. And
Yeah.
It's a puddle right there.
Are you walking right beside us?
Card read.
What?
Beware. They took.
They take what? What will they take?
Listeners.
One window top.
One in the car? Oh shit. Dude, it said they're gonna take one in like the car. I'm locking the doors.
Yeah, so good.
What do you mean by that? Take one in the car. You're not allowed to take anyone in this car, me or Chris.
Right.
You
Millions.
understand me?
Dude, his.
Waterbury place.
Okay.
And then I just accepted their request to me after reviewing my application.
What? They sent you an email back for
On
them?
the 24th, yeah.
And you just, they wanted to meet with you?
No, they just were reviewing my application.
Oh.
They didn't say anything about meeting or hiring. They were just reviewing it. But
Mhm.
since it's open now, maybe I can get hired at one of these locations.
Yeah. Who's here with us tonight? Are you making... Are you making me not feel good? As soon as I pulled on the street, I felt weird, Chris.
Yeah.
And so.
Whoa!
Whoa, I heard
No, look! Look!
what is all the...
There's all fog or something behind the car. Look!
Oh,
It's okay.
that's weird. Film that shit.
I don't know if it's gonna show up. There was all like this deep fog near the car in like the back of it. No, it's not showing up.
Damn, looks like the Undertaker set.
Yeah.
Did you lose?
Did I lose what?
That's up.
What did I lose?
The first.
I think I just called your name.
No.
Chris isn't interested.
No.
Who wants to talk? Why am I feeling so weird here?
Oh.
Yeah.
During.
I'm gonna go to the part we usually park at. I don't like it right here. Alright?
Fantastic.
I don't like being on this side for some reason. Why?
Over.
Say something about me being fat. Why are you making me feel weird here? I mean, we've been here so many times now. It's not like we should be like
You shoot full.
we should be used to it by now. I just feel like I want to like be wrapped up in my covers.
Oh crap!
Oh, what the hell? The spirit just said, "Oh crap."
And especially.
Why did you say, "Oh crap"? What's going on?
It's learning.
They're learning? Learning what? What are they learning?
Up 16.
Up 16.
YouTube.
Should be.
I don't know what you mean by that.
Oh, Jimmy Lap.
I'm just trying to figure out who's here tonight. I know we've been here so many times, and we had vowed a few weeks ago to not come back, and we keep coming back. But see, it's partly because we have like nothing else to do, and partly because it helps us to get out, and partly because this street's not too far from where we live.
Kayak.
Why? She said, "Hey, I can tell my story. And I just want to know why I feel so weird now. I feel like my head is like separate from my body."
Right thing.
Crike.
Why did he keep saying that?
What did he say?
Crap. Or, no, he said crike or something. But it's the same like
It's
voice.
due to them.
It's due to what?
Lose your job. The experience.
Lose your job. We don't have a job. Well, Chris doesn't have a job. I have.
Being involved.
What is that noise?
Don't forget.
Oh, don't something. Don't start being nasty.
Money on your.
Don't start being mean.
Placement window.
Placement window. What?
And 300.
Oh no.
Oh, I just saw eyes. Dude, I just saw eyes in like the woods there. Right over there.
You
Who is here with us tonight?
not that because
What?
responsible.
Man, I feel all shaky. I can't. I'm like my hands are shaking. Are you making me feel this way? I feel like I just want to get out and scream.
Shut up.
Hey, don't tell me to shut up. You shut up. Sorry, I don't know what's overcoming me here.
Or the other.
I'm sorry. for lashing out. I think we've been coming here too often. This place is getting under my skin.
Soft.
I don't know what is going. I don't know.
Will appear.
I just feel bizarre here tonight.
2 years.
The heck? Are you making me feel like this?
There's 2 topics.
Finals.
Why?
I've lied.
Who's lied? Can I say it?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's lied?
Who will face you?
And come.
Oh, you have to. Whoa. What's that?
I was about to open my window, so then I heard something go like that.
You have to apply on Java site, it says.
The best.
Quick apply? Did you try that? Oh, it wants you to upload the resume.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll do this
How many
when
more?
I go home. I have your resume on my laptop. What?
I have his number. His name is Dave. But it's always good to post.
From
Full cut.
where?
Full cut.
His
In
name
New
is
York.
Dave.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just have to go on this site and apply.
Do that.
Yeah, I'm gonna text it to me.
I will not.
I'm texting it to myself, and then when we get home, I'll let you do it. Okay. Oh, I was like, who just texted me? Alright, I'm sorry to all the people who are
Game.
listening to talk. I've been helping Chris lately try to find a job, so.
Watch them.
Watch them? Are you watching?
Well, I thought.
On the phone?
Oh.
Why do I still feel all shaky?
Fantastic. Haha.
Ha ha!
This was going to be.
You're influencing me, huh? Please don't do that. You're not allowed to.
I've got it.
Oh my god.
Cuts to.
The window just went down. Look. You're not allowed to roll the windows up and down. Do you hear me?
Not okay.
Do you hear me?
Ted.
Why are you making me feel
Really
like
looking-
this?
And
That's what's going on.
I just felt like something like pinched me.
Yeah, I feel that one.
It's like when she's not here, things pick up.
Yeah.
Things act. I don't know. I have a holy Bible here. No. I tried this at Hookman's, but like nothing happened. I have a very old holy Bible.
You get it.
listeners,
See?
Gonna happen.
Can't help it. I'm gonna read
When they-
from this Bible. Do you want me to read the Song of
That's the-
Songs? Oh, that you would kiss me with the kisses of your mouth. Wait, what? For you, I'm not gonna read that. Okay. John.
thing.
Okay. I'm gonna read from John. Look at that nice picture.
Some
Question of.
I'm gonna read from John, the book of John.
and
Where's John?
In these countries.
No.
Yes.
Okay.
Competition.
My little children, I am writing this to you so that you may not sin, but if anyone does sin, we have an advocate with the Father, Jesus Christ,
Thanks, Brandon.
the righteous. What the hell?
Because you spent so
What?
I see.
individual.
What?
Just saw a shadow go
Suppose it's
behind,
there.
like in between the trees.
Track.
Track or trapped?
Of course he did.
Of course he did.
I can call him.
Who is out there right now?
He limps off.
Who? He limps off.
No, you saw.
I'm gonna continue
Be fine.
to read from the Bible.
Tennis snake.
I'm gonna read from the Bible. I know there's something here. Let's read from the book of Timothy. I desire then that in every place the men should pray, lifting holy hands without anger or quarreling. Well, that's weird that I turned to like that one. Also that women should adorn themselves modestly and sensibly. Well,
It's funny.
Are you funny? Well, this is from like 2,000 years ago. So.
There's another.
Do you like that reading from the Bible?
I mean,
I am the true vine, and my Father is the vine dresser. I think you read this one like last night. Every branch of mine that bears
It
no
feels like he's.
fruit, he takes away. And every branch that does bear fruit, he prunes, so that it may bear more fruit. What do you think? Did you like that? They don't know what to say. Whoa! Sound like a heart monitor.
Yeah, I need more.
You need more oxygen. You need more. You want me to continue to read from the Bible?
So now going to be.
We're helping someone burn home.
Wow, I didn't think that would be the reaction here.
Operation.
She had an operation.
Operation? Did somebody die here recently? Apple? Oh my God, I'm feeling so weird here tonight.
Tuesday.
You what? Whatever is going on, you are not allowed to influence. You are not allowed to influence
So
me.
now going to.
The king.
The king? You want me to keep reading from the Bible?
Oh, you're arguing on
Something that many people
What?
I heard you arguing out here.
get some.
Get some. Get
And I
some.
just kind of.
Get some what? I'm gonna read from John, the book, John chapter 3.
I'll put it back.
Up your back. See what love the Father has given us, that we should be called children of God, and so we are.
Tools.
The reason why the world does not know us is that it did not know
She
him.
had
Beloved, we are
winning.
God's children now.
many.
Well, it does not like me doing this. Beloved, we are God's children now. It does not yet appear what we shall be. But we know that when he appears, we shall be like him, for we shall see him
The
as
refugee.
he is. And everyone who thus hopes in him purifies himself as he is pure.
Aaron,
Do you have a special Bible verse you would like me to read?
Since
Oh!
I was
Growled at you.
Why did you growl at me?
You don't get
Dude, I feel like I'm gonna puke.
And we are
program I'll be.
Are you influencing how I feel right now?
when I did.
Well, I did.
Momentum.
Your momentum? What does that mean? Oh, dude. Oh, I feel like I'm gonna puke. You are not allowed to make me feel like this. Do you understand?
He was
What?
but I won't.
But I won't.
You're in town.
Who's in town? They're in town.
So,
Oh,
It's a tap.
the tap? Oh,
Saved you a few.
I have felt fine like all night, and now as soon as we get
In
here
service.
tonight, no service, great. Pretty soon, yeah. As soon as we got here,
the battery.
the battery. You're not gonna touch my car. Stop
I
making.
mean, I've got
Stop
some
making.
car.
Some.
Even when they all.
Stop making me feel like I'm gonna throw up. I can tell it's not coming from like me here.
Town.
How not what?
Running out.
Running out is that? Dude, I feel like I'm about to puke. Oh, no, I don't want to puke. Oh God. Oh no.
Can't really say that.
So after. Oh, he's not.
Oh my God. I don't believe that. I'm sorry, I just
The arts building. When I did.
The arts building. I just threw up all over Sawmill City Road.
You probably just.
I need to. You promised. What, we promised not to come back here? Is that why you're making me feel like this? I need to drink something. Oh my God, I feel so weird.
Hi, Jeff.
Assaulted child.
Of the one.
Oh. Is the one here? Is that who's doing this? I thought the one was only on Velvet Street in Trumbull.
From.
Chris, I smell eggs.
I feel like
The lens.
on the back of the car, someone's like doing that.
Oh, not again. Why are we smelling eggs again?
Can happen.
It's happening. What's happening? What is happening?
The king speak.
The kings speak.
Individuals.
Did he just say rituals?
Rituals must happen out here.
Who's doing rituals?
Area.
Who's doing rituals?
And new shit happens out here in these stores.
Well, we've been out here like every night. We never see nothing out here.
People in their houses.
Yeah,
Jeremy Hunter.
Hands on, what? Again with that. Why are you making that sound?
Ellington calls it.
Ellington, what? Listen, I just need to know what's going on.
Cover up.
Cover up? Well, I don't like
Pubs. So it's some.
that. What do you mean by cover up?
Decide.
Turn off the white light noise. What do you mean by cover up?
Set.
What's all set?
Ambulance again.
Well, it just saw like a big shadow cross like the top. It seemed like it flew above of the car. It like blocked out the light for 1 second.
Mothman.
No, I don't think it's Mothman.
These things are.
These things are.
An accident.
Oh,
Yeah.
an accident. Why did you make me feel sick before? Once I threw up, it completely went away.
Which
Which?
Which
And why are we smelling eggs so bad? Dude, it smells really bad in here. We are protected by Jesus.
The root near.
Do I have to keep reading from the Bible?
Oh, this is interesting.
A good way to.
I'm going to. I'm going to read from the book of Revelations. And I heard a voice from heaven saying, "Write this, blessed are the dead who die in the Lord henceforth. Blessed, I can't even see. Indeed, says the Spirit, that they may rest from their labors, and their deeds follow them. Then I looked, and lo, a white cloud, and seated on the cloud one like a son of man, with a golden crown on his head and a sharp sickle in his hand." Should I continue?
Stayed still.
Be still. Why? Oh, dude, do you smell that?
Yeah, dude.
You're making me really angry right now. Why are you making the smell of eggs?
programming.
Programming.
Heaven needs.
Heaven needs you.
Heaven needs me? Is that what it said? Heaven doesn't need me yet.
Could be an animal out there too.
Yeah, no, it's not. It's in here.
This is the paranormal van like Scooby-Doo.
Cycling.
What is, I think I know the answer, but what is making it smell like eggs right now?
Overflow.
Well, something just scratched on my window.
What is going on? What just scratched on Chris is when I heard that.
Yeah.
Hello?
Celtic.
Assault him. You're not going to assault us.
Shift down. That's 2.
To what? To what?
Momentum.
I'm just feeling overcome with these different
Went out.
emotions. I can't explain what's happening right now. Oh, again with the heart monitor thing.
You know, here.
Whoa. I don't know.
What we've seen.
You can call this heart beat from
USA.
USA. I don't even know if I'm going to
Vince
upload this one.
Good.
A portal.
A portal!
This is the
Did we open up a portal here? By coming here
Successful.
and investigating and talking to you all the time? Did we open up a portal? Did we open up a portal on Sawmill City Road? Well, now it needs to be closed. Oh my god, it said portal.
Yeah.
Whoa. Was that
I think
you?
one day you will.
It's attacked.
What is happening right now? It's like tapping near the Bible.
For your
Do you not like the Bible? Because it is giving us power right now. We believe in Jesus. And because of that, you do not have power over
2.
us.
Recenter.
I feel like I can't breathe.
Successful.
Dude, what is going on here tonight? Yeah, right. That feels really, really weird. Maybe we shouldn't keep coming back.
Working.
What's working?
Huntington.
What are you doing to us? Whoa. What was that?
And
I thought I heard like a growl right near me.
Something's banging on top of the car.
In the name of Jesus Christ, you have to leave this car right now. See, it's a shame because people who are watching this
Prime Minister.
won't know what we're feeling right now. They won't be able to feel it. It feels
Away from.
It feels so like charged right here. Whoa. Are you acting like this because of the Bible? It's like the second we pulled on this road, it was affecting me because we called the Bible.
Hey.
Do you want me to rip up this Bible?
In hope.
In hope? Because I'm not going to.
Decide.
Decide.
It's Patrick.
I love this Bible.
Prisons.
Prison. What does that mean?
I won the play.
I want to play.
Can feature.
Whoa! Teacher.
Excellent.
Oh my god, it said I'm gonna hex them all. It said something like that at Velvet
it did.
Sunday too.
Yeah, dude.
You're not gonna hex us.
service.
You're not going to hex us.
No hexing.
You have no power to do that.
New to the UK.
Yes, I can. You have no power to control us at all. Was that you who made me throw up before?
Welcome.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Welcome, and then yeah, it said.
Oh, he's still in.
You have no power to
Fine.
influence us at all. Injury. Great. What? It may have. I don't know.
We could have a
You can handle what?
for themselves by a bit.
So violent. Dude, I actually don't feel good here.
On a new
Successful after
These boys.
These boys.
in South Africa.
Who's from South Africa?
news.
What do you mean?
I was on a new school day.
Oh, it sounded like I was speaking Latin. It was like,
There,
are you speaking Latin?
today,
Were you just speaking Latin?
Already just so.
say,
For us bench offers.
Whoa! Something about the heads off. You're not gonna take off our heads. That sounded weird.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't feel safe right here. Should we easily leave? I still smell that really bad smell. Do you?
Yeah, I do. It doesn't
Aw.
feel normal.
What's laughing
Is
now?
that
What is making that smell in this car? Oh, in the name of Jesus, I demand that you tell me. That was me. Sorry. I demand that you tell me what is making that smell.
as a
Answer me.
second.
What demon is out here?
Make my side.
Right by my side. What demon is out here? Answer me.
Unbelievable.
You're unbelievable. Is there a demon out here or just a very angry spirit? Whoa!
Oh, it said
What did you hear?
the one.
complete one? You took
I think we should go.
Ellie.
Yeah.
The demon that begins with a Z.
Sure did.
Why are you out here? Why is that demon out here?
From the if they
maybe the up little.
Are we with?
Now, really with. What does that mean?
On the start reading it.
4 days back in.
Hear from Tony.
Feels so weird. I feel like I... What the fuck?
What?
Dude, there's one spot on the windshield. That, I don't know if I can capture that. That's fogged up. One spot. Like somebody's sitting there breathing.
Oh.
Just one spot. The entire windshield's
Garrison.
fine. There's one spot like somebody's sitting
It is
there
okay.
breathing. It's getting bigger. Who is fogging up the window of the windshield?
Stay.
Oh my god, it never...
Nation.
So great.
Oh god. Dude, it's getting worse. I don't know how much of this is being...
down.
What? I don't know how much of this is being picked up here. What was that? Something white just flashed in front of the camera.
Yeah.
Something white just flashed in front of the camera. I'm not kidding. What was that? I feel like I just want to get out and run into the woods.
Oh, cool.
I don't know what's going on.
Come
What did it say?
with
Where do you want me to go?
But the
Where do you want me to go?
was very.
Yeah.
Is it the pub?
Into the pound.
Because if
Dude, it's still as...
Where the
Oh my god! The entire window is
out the
fogged up!
it. Yeah, it is.
That's the first.
Nothing else is fogging up! Your window's not even fogged up! Something is sitting here!
Gideon.
What
you
is
sing-
fogging up the window?
it's a big
out.
You need to leave whatever's
David
fogging up this window. Look at this.
National stuff.
Oh my god.
how
I'm reacting like this because this is not normal. You need to stop fogging up the window right now.
For English.
Dude, it's getting worse. I demand that you stop fogging up this window.
Lunch.
It's going away. It's gone.
Earlier.
It's not fogged up no more. Are you kidding me?
Well,
I don't have my defogger or like nothing on. Look. I have no defog on. It's gone. It's not fogged up now. Why is this so active tonight? Whoa. I just saw like a
After.
orange eye out there.
orange.
Yeah, it looked orange. Oh wait. What is that? What the fuck?
A lot.
Dude, I'm seeing eyes looking back at me.
I would go out there. If I was you.
Out where?
Where the eyes are.
I can't wait. Hold on, I'm just rolling the window now. Oh. It was a reflection of
Quickly.
sorry. It's a reflection of the light
Working.
in my car here. I'm getting all freaked out. But it's definitely not fogged up now.
They've been.
Wow. I still feel like I want to just run out into like the woods. Are you influencing me, making me feel like that? Whoa. What is making me feel like this right now?
Of that.
Whoa. Oh no, not the horn again. Why are you beeping your horn?
She didn't want to go with us, I'm guessing.
No, she's gotten to get up at 8:30 in the morning to take the guinea pig.
She was sent to back.
Whoa.
The BBC.
Forward as quickly.
I
The Southgate.
still don't feel right. Are you making me feel like this?
Yeah.
Oh. What are you doing to me?
But enough after.
Oh,
What are you?
6.
6.
Does he see
We're gonna have to leave.
remodel?
I don't like all this demon stuff going on.
Building isn't held back.
The building isn't held back. What?
Up his on.
What does that mean? What are you
Figuratively.
talking about right now?
Of that. Some
It's like they're having a conversation between themselves.
We don't.
Did we open up a portal on this road? I don't believe the windshield got all fogged up before. Like someone was hitting there.
82.
Someone was hitting there, like. And then it just, well,
it failed.
it fell. I keep,
2000.
I keep hearing like knocks or something.
We want to.
As aware.
What are we hearing outside? Is that you?
You know,
It is. Who are you? I know, me too. What's your name?
It's a cultural.
Jackie?
What the?
because
Who's that?
Heard
Did you hear that?
outside the
That was
car.
in the car.
Heard that outside.
That wasn't coming through the app.
Ooh.
Why are you growling at us?
Season.
That you're.
After.
Why are you growling at us? Answer me. What's empty?
T's and C's of
Well,
Say TV?
something, and then it said explode.
Make much.
Keep hearing scratching on the back of the-
Stop scratching. I know. It's making me mad now. Stop scratching the car.
Appropriate.
Pervert?
Dude,
What?
this might be like visual matrixing, but look at this. Can you come up here, please?
No, I'm not getting out.
No. Just put your head up here.
Okay.
Look at this. There's a picture of Jesus in this thing right here.
Of that.
Do you see that?
What?
There's a picture of Jesus in this puddle right here. I don't know if it's gonna...
And I think you.
Do you see that?
No, I didn't see a puddle.
There is, I mean, it looks... There's like eyes and a beard and nose and hair.
As she more or less.
Is it mimicking him?
I don't know. It might just be like
Safety.
visual matrixing,
I think that's the one I'm going with.
but I don't know. That's creeping me the hell out. That wasn't there a few minutes ago. You know, okay. It growled like very badly. Dude, it was...
£1 million.
I'm not coming. I'm done with this road, dude.
Thank you.
I'm not coming back here anymore. Again, okay, stop
England shaker.
growling at me. Stop growling at me. I'm like
Something.
scared. I'm about to cry or something.
Should have known. And a cult.
Yeah, we should have known. Well, what? It says something like about a cult. We're leaving. We're not coming back. Oh, this time I mean it. Are you happy now? Don't ever leave? What?
Completely.
Dude, it showed a picture of Jesus in the puddle back there. It may have just
Currently
been
up for
like visual pareidolia, but...
Okay.
To the park.
But I'm leaving. We're leaving. Thank you for communicating. Nothing is allowed to follow us home. If there's something here, I'm going to roll the window down, and you have to leave. Right now, you have to leave. Thank you. In the name of Jesus Christ, nothing is allowed to follow us. I'm closing the session off now.